Have you been waking in the wee hours of the night to discover that it's 1:23 a.m.? Perhaps you've gone to the store and your bill is $123. Or maybe you're stuck in traffic and see 123 on the license plate in front of you. If one or more of these things keeps happening to you, it is likely that you have important messages coming through from your angels. Yes. Angel number 123 is a very deep and important message for you. And here's what it means. For manifesting your desires, the number 123 means that you're headed in the right direction. You don't have to worry about anything going wrong or being off track. The energy of 123 can often mean that money is coming your way. It signals the arrival of new opportunities. So, it's a fantastic time to get out there and start making things happen. What does 123 mean for manifesting love? Your angels and you 123 to tell you that it'll be easier to make it happen than you think. The right person will come along at the right time for you. And there are no delays or setbacks ahead. You will manifest a fresh, new, exciting romance quickly and easily as long as you keep your eyes open to different possibilities. What does 123 mean for your relationship? If you are already in a relationship and things have been rocky lately, trust that they will get a whole lot better soon. It's going to be easier for you and your lover to communicate with each other. And the bond between you will grow stronger. All you have to do now is think about your ultimate goals and dreams. Consider how you can get there. The actions you take should be small, but significant. For example, you could start by making a list of the 3 things that really matter to you about your relationship. Then, set out some actions that would help you move closer to what you want. Don't worry if they aren't big actions or huge changes. Just take baby steps in the right direction. And soon enough, you'll be enjoying a much better relationship. What does 123 mean for twin flames? Angel number 123 means that your twin flame is thinking of you. They will reach out soon, and this could happen at any time. So try to stay alert and be ready to receive their communication. Just remember to be aware of your own thoughts. Because what you think about will determine how your relationship unfolds. Instead of worrying, think about the type of experience you want to have. And take action to support those goals. What does 123 mean for spiritual growth? Angel number 123 is a beautiful message of support and companionship on your spiritual journey. If you've found that your spiritual practice isn't working out lately, this is a time for you to practice even deeper. Go further. Your most heartfelt efforts are exactly what the universe is looking for from you now. Stay open and dedicated to your spiritual path. Doing so will lead you to a very rewarding experience. If you don't feel like channeling is working well for you, maybe try meditation or yoga instead. Or just spend time in nature and enjoy yourself, as long as you take the initiative. And remain positive about what comes next for you. Everything will work out just fine. What does 123 mean for manifesting money? Angel number 123 means you should engage in deep thought about financial security. What would you like to achieve in this area of your life? Stay focused on what matters most to you. And remember that your thoughts create what you attract. So if you keep thinking positively about money, you can expect it to come your way. Additionally, you should think about where this money could come from. For example, if you want to earn more, look at ways that you could improve your working life right now. If you don't like your job, perhaps there are other opportunities out there for you. Whichever way you decide to go, you will be able to achieve the results that matter most to you. Make sure to keep yourself uplifted and open to new opportunities as they come your way right now. Overall, angel number 123 is a message from the angels that you're on the right path. If you've been feeling like it's time to make some changes in your life, this is when all of your hard work can start to pay off. Now that you know what 123 means and how you can use this wisdom to improve your life, you're on a path to success. Namaste.